Everybody speaks English, no mistakes.
Everybody sit down. Today a test.
A test? I love tests.
Nobody loves tests.
I love tests.
Nobody normal loves tests.
Johnny, who are you?
I am Johnny. I am a dog. I am 4 years old.
Spell it.
Johnnny. Not G.
What do you have?
I have a ball, a bowl, and 3 friends.
Chloe, who is he?
He is Johnny. He is a dog. He has a ball.
Whose ball?
His ball. Johnny's ball.
Milo, how many are we?
4.
And with Pip?
5. When he is here.
Is he here now?
No, he is not.
Johnny, count to 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20.
Chloe, count from 90.
91, 92, 93, 94, 95. 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Milo, this or that. The window.
That window. It is there.
Your sofa?
That sofa. It is in the other room. And I am not on it. This is the problem with school.
Johnny, do you have a car?
No, I do not.
Does Chloe have a family?
Yes, she does. We are her family.
He said we.
I heard it.
I am in that we.
I know, Milo.
I did not agree to that we.
Milo, do you have to be in it?
No. I do not have to.
And are you in it?
Yes.
The test is finished.
How many mistakes?
0. All of you.
Robert. 20 episodes ago Johnny said woof.
I know.
And Milo said nothing.
I know that too.
Woof.
Johnny.
I still know it. It is my first language.
That is fair.
It is very fair.